Hey, friends and purse partners, are you an entrepreneur who has been trying to figure out what is the best system to help you with capturing leads on social media and then nurturing them through direct message, DMs, without really spending all your time and energy in those conversations and do it in a more automated way? Well, today I want to talk to you about how you can do that and show you my favorite way to do that. And so let's dive in. Welcome back, friends and purchase partners. Brandon Thomas here, and I want to show you today how to capture leads through Instagram and or Facebook Messenger and lead them into a conversation into the DMs with automation. So you don't have to be there for every conversation starter. You don't have to be there capturing all their information. And really, this is going to allow you to save time and save energy and allow you to be spending time doing things that you're supposed to be doing in your business and kind of let automation do the legwork for you. And then you can jump in when it makes sense for you to actually start nurturing and leading that lead to maybe it's a call, maybe it's a program that you're having to offer, whatever your next step is in your sales funnel. But I want to show you like how do you initially capture those leads so that it is kind of done for you and you don't have to keep thinking about it and doing the work. So I want to share my screen with you. I'm going to be showing you on Scalability. This is my favorite all-in-one platform. And one of the things I love about Scalability is that it has the ability for you to actually plan your social media. So it has in the marketing section, it has a social planner, and you can batch your posts. So you can create all these new posts, you can schedule them, batch them if you want, and they will post to your either professional Facebook page or your professional Instagram account. You can also do TikTok, you can do X. There's a couple different options for you. Let me see if I can, yeah. So you can do Facebook, you can even do your Google business page, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. So this is really cool that you can actually batch and connect to all these different social platforms. And again, what we want to do here is help you save time and money and be efficient, automate the things that you can automate so that you can multiply and scale your business and you spend time in relationship with things that actually matter most. Spending time with God, spending time with your family, spending time with your clients, using your creativity now that you have all this free time to build and create more things that are going to serve your audience. Okay, so once you've connected your social media platform, and I have a whole training on how to do this, you can create a new post, schedule it, you can upload a CSV, you can have social media templates, you can even use AI if you want. If you're like, man, I'm having like a content roadblock, you can use AI to help you do this. So right now, really, you can just create a post, but eventually we're going to have the ability to, oh, JK, so they have opened that up. So you can create a post, you can create a story, or you can create a reel. So Instagram story that will not support caption for publishing posts directly. So just so you know that. But I could do a reel or I can post a story with Instagram. And then same with like Facebook. I can do a post and then stories are not connected, but I can do a reel. So it just depends on the technology for the different platforms. But you can create your post, you can schedule it by clicking advanced, you can save it, you can have tags, um, you can upload a video, you can upload a picture, and then down here is where you can save for later, you can post it now, you can schedule a post, send posts for approval. If you have like an actual marketing person working for you, you can have them create all the content and then send it to you to be approved. And then you can schedule recurring posts too, which is pretty cool. So I love like all the things that you can do here. One. So that's the first thing you can do that is really cool. That's going to help you automate and multiply your business is one, just like creating your Facebook posts, your Instagram posts, social media posts, and batch them if you can, or even if you're just doing like that week's worth of content, get them scheduled and you can do that. Now, and you can also check out statistics and how things are doing. So Now, once you have a post created and it's published, you can have automation. This is where you bring in the whole DM thing, which is really cool. This is my favorite part, and I have another training video that breaks this down. So, and one of the really cool things about these workflows is that you can just literally, there's already a template built for you, and you can just copy and paste that, and then create, and then just tweak it for what you need. So I can come in here to the automation, the workflow builder, and this is basically the template, and I just changed it to be like, I want it to link to this page. This post is already published. I want you to look for the word scale. And here's a specific post that I want you um, to look for. So if anybody comments scale on this specific post, I want you to track their first comments. And if they post scale, I want you to say, hey, check your DM. Thanks for sharing interest. Please check your DM. So it's going to comment for me, and then it's going to actually send an interactive message. So I have my message being like, hey, so excited. Here's my link to my free resource. Go ahead and work through this, and I'll help you with the next steps. So then it's going to either default timeout, or they can click a button that says, I'm done, what's next? And then there's another message that's going to send to them. So you don't have to go that far. You can pick up the conversation right after this, or you can do another like, hey, great, I'm glad you took my free resource. Here's a Facebook group I want you to join. If you need one-on-one support, please let me know. So what this is doing is helping me find, okay, who are the people who are actually interested in what I have to offer? They're willing to do the work to get there, right? They're going to click on the link. They're going to follow directions. So they are actually doing what I need them to do. And then they're following the steps. So like the fact that they're engaged, that means, okay, I'm qualifying them. So now that they're a qualified lead, I can really come in and do the high touch. So I started out with high tech, and now I can come in with high touch and really truly start to serve them, get to know them better. But I wanted to really grab their information with the free resource. I wanted to see how committed were they actually engaged? Did they really want what I have to offer? Because again, I don't want to waste time on people who really aren't for me and don't want what I have to offer. And so by having great content and an automated format for them to walk through, that will help weed out the people who really do want what you have to offer. And then you can come in and have those deep conversations with them, lead them to other ways that you can support them. And so that, and actually nurture them. So that's the beauty of doing something like this in an all-in-one platform using scalability, because now as they come in through that link, that free resource that I dropped in the DM, I'm capturing their information. So now I can email market to them. I can text them if they put their phone number. They can see my capture page, my landing pages. They can see my website. Everything I'm doing for my business is in one location. So if they come in as a member, if they come in to use my course or my community, it's all in one place. So I don't have to go to these different places and manage it. So I really wanted to point this out to you. So if you're an entrepreneur, you're trying to scale and multiply your business, do it with an all-in-one platform solution. And again, my favorite is Scalability, and that's why I'm sharing with you the ins and outs of it, because I want to just give you a testimony of like, this is how it's worked for me in my business. I don't have to keep running people down and find them. Like, they can come to me, they can work through my process, and then I can connect with them and convert them to maybe a paid support or whatever my offer is. So I hope that makes sense. Drop in the comments if this was helpful for you, if you're interested in this, or if you have any questions and learning more. And I will also share those 2 videos where I train specifically on how to set this up. If you have scalability or you're wanting scalability, snag my 30-day free trial of it, and you can start to play around with this technology yourself. So hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.